Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to hide profile picture on your WhatsApp. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our WhatsApp. Here, right after opening our WhatsApp, will be on the chat page. On the chat page, you'll be able to see various options, and on the top, you'll be able to see a camera icon, a search bar, and three dots. Tap on the three dots. After tapping on three dots, you'll be able to see new group, new broadcast, and so on. On the end, you'll be able to see our option settings. Here you'll have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, here you'll be able to see account, privacy, avatar, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on privacy. After tapping on privacy, you'll be able to see your profile photo, your information, status, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on your profile photo option. After that, here you'll be able to see four options that are everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. These are the options telling you who can see or view your profile photo. Here you can hide your profile photo from everyone or a certain person on your contacts. Choose your preferred one. Here I will be tapping on nobody. After tapping on nobody, no one will be able to see your profile photo. Tap on back, and with that your profile photo will be hidden to everyone else. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.